The calculation function in inMold enables fully automatic calculation and updating of costs when the shape of the mold changes. Under Parameters, enter the current material price and the density of the material. With the calculated volume, the material costs for the mold are automatically calculated. You can then enter the processing costs under Machine Parameters. Enter the roughing costs per volume. Proceed in the same way for the finishing costs, whereby you also have the option to differentiate between shaped and outer surfaces. You can determine the values as average values for molds that have already been manufactured. inMold then calculates the expected costs for the current mold. The costs are automatically recalculated and adjusted. At the end of the list, you will find a listing of the individual costs as well as the total costs. The information determined for the calculation can be found in the summary. You can insert additional costs, for example for cooling, construction or transport, using the plus symbol at any point.